everyone, today we'll be solving fifth sum from exercise 2 compound interest. The question says Krishna borrows a sum of rupees 8,000. Now here sum of rupees 8,000, that means what is the given value? Our principal amount is 8,000. Next, for 2 years. Now time period, that is T, is equal to 2 years. So we'll write T equal to 2 years. And SI, that is simple interest, and immediately lends out this money to another person. मतलब उसने 8,000 लिया और किसी और को दे दिया. For the same period at the same rate. Now time is also 2 years, rate is also the same, rate of interest is also the same. If she makes a profit, now the profit का मतलब she might have given this at compound interest rate. So what is profit? Profit is equal to compound interest minus simple interest. So what is our value? Compound interest minus simple interest is equal to 96 rupees 80 paisa. Right? On this, if she makes a profit of rupees 96 rupees 80 paisa on this transaction at the end of 2 years, now time period is again the same, calculate the rate of interest. So what we have to find is rate of interest. Now to find this, first of all she took it in the form of simple interest, right? She took it in simple interest. So let's do one thing first, write about calculate the simple interest. Now what is the formula for simple interest? Formula for simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. Now let's substitute the value. The value for principal amount is 8,000, which is given in the question. First of all, we will take rate of interest as R. Okay, let R be the rate of interest. First we'll write this. Now what is the value of P? That is 8,000. Rate of interest is small r. Time period is 2 upon 100. When we calculate these two, gone. So this becomes 8 to the 16 and 1 0. That is simple interest is 160 r. So we got this simple interest. Now let's calculate compound interest. Now it is given she has given money to some other person. So here whenever she has given the money to another person and she is getting profit, that means she has given it in the form of compound interest. So let's find our compound interest. So compound interest formula is P1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to n minus P. Now let's substitute the values. Compound interest we don't know, or we know compound interest we don't know. P is 8,000. R we don't know. R will be R only. Rate of interest will be upon 100. N is number of years, that is 2. minus P. Again P is 8,000. Now let's calculate. We'll simplify this. 8,000 will remain as it is. This is in the form of a plus b the whole square. That means a square plus 2. A is 1 only. 2 into 1 is 2 only. AB plus b square, that is r square. Square of r is r square and square of 100 is 10,000. 4 zeros. Minus 8,000, right? Now this will get cancelled. 2 ones are and 2 fives are zeros are. So we will put it in this form. Minus 8,000. Now let's calculate 8,000. Now this is multiplied to this whole bracket. So 8,000 will go in a stepwise manner. Into 1 is 8,000 plus r upon 50. This is multiplied with 8,000 also, plus r square upon this is multiplied with this term also, that is 8,000 also, minus 8,000. Now this 8,000 and this 8,000 will get cancelled, plus 8,000 and minus 8,000. Here 0 0 gone. 5 ones are 1 3 zeros, so 1 2 and 3 zeros cancel. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So we are remain with 160 into r, that is 160 r. This is our compound interest, plus 4 into r square is 4r square upon 5. Now let's go with the next step. Next step, what is it? Compound interest minus simple interest. So what it will be? What is compound interest? Our compound interest is 160r plus 4r square upon 5 minus our simple interest. The value which we got is 160r. So here this plus and minus will get cancelled. Now what is the difference? In the question it is given she makes a profit of rupees 96.80, right? 96 rupees 80 paise. So difference between this will be 96 rupees 80 paise, right? And here what is remaining is 4r square upon 5. Now let's solve this. We will take this 5 up and 4 down and r square at one side. So let's do that. This will be 5 multiplied by 96.80. If we remove this point, this after decimal, it will be 2 digits. That means upon 100. And the upwards of 5 will come down. So that is r square. Now let's calculate the 0 gone, the 0 gone. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 eights are 16, and 2 fours are 8. Again 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4. So r square is what? 121. So what will be r? R is equal to under root of 121, that is 11. So answer will be rate of interest is equal to 11% per annum. So this was all about fifth question from Miscellaneous exercise 2. Thank you.